Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Today in this video we will learn how we can add content in our pages. In our previous video we have learned how we can add pages and create new pages in our WordPress dashboard. So today we will learn how we can add content to that pages. First of all, we have to click on the pages so that we can see which pages that we have published before. Here you can see these are the pages which I published before. So now we will add content to these pages. So in parallel, I will open the website so that I can view the different changes live. Here you can see website is here, and we can simple visit our website live and can see which are the changes has been done. So this is our website. So first of all, we will hit the edit button below the home so that we can add content to the home page. I click on edit button. It will open the page that there we can add our content according to our choice or according to our functionality of website. Here you can see this is an autosave of this post there. It is more recent than the version below. So it will autosave the page, so we don't worry about it. Simple, I will click it and I will click on this add block, and here you can see six different sections that are image, heading, paragraph, curly, list, and code. We can also browse all. And browse all, there will be different sections of different things. So first of all, I will click on heading so that I can add a heading to my website. Here you can see heading is added, and change block type or style. We can change the block type or style by clicking here. We can change the alignment of heading. We can select here heading level from H1 to H6. I will select H1 heading level, and this is the alignment. This is used for bold and this is used for italic. Here this is used for adding link. When you click on this arrow, you can see highlight, inline code, inline image, etc. Different things. When I click on these three options, you can see I can simple copy this block or I can duplicate it. I even can remove it by remove heading and many more options. So first of all, I will write welcome to Tech with Tim. When I wrote it, and I will update it simple by updating when I click on home to, because I already changed the settings. Here you can see welcome to Tech with Tim. So these changes are added to the page. It means that by adding here content, the content is also being added in our pages. So now I will add a paragraph here. Now I will add paragraph here. So I will click here so that I can add blog. When I click on it, it says paragraph or image. I will click on paragraph. Here we can write anything. I will add dummy content. So I will search for lorem ipsum. If you don't know what is lorem ipsum, it is dummy content that we can use anywhere, and it is free for copyright, because copyright can down your website. For so if you want to be safe from copyright, you can use dummy content. So I will use dummy content here. I will use this lorem ipsum, and simple I will select it and I will copy this. We will copy this paragraph and I will paste it here by using Control V or paste. As you can see, I have pasted the paragraph. Now I will correct the alignment. I will start the alignment from left so that the text could be visible easily. Here you can see I have added the content, and when I hit the update button, you can simple refresh the page and see the changes. You can see the paragraph is added. So now I will add new section. Here you can see image. Now I will add image. You can add image by media library or insert from URL, or you can also upload. If you have already uploaded, you can open it from media library, and if you have the URL for the image, you can simply use this. I will upload it from my computer, so I will open it and I will go here and I will use this image. I am using my own banner image so that I can see either it's visible or not. This is added. When I hit on update and refresh the page, you can see that the image is added. First of all, I added the heading, then I added the paragraph, then I added the image. Now we will discuss about other blocks. When I click below, it asks for add block. Add block, you can see code, list, gallery. We can also use gallery for using different images. When I click on browser, you can see here we have different options that we can use in our WordPress website page layout. We can use page break, separator, etc. You can see paragraph heading we are already used. So now I will add a table so that you can see how I will use it. When I click on it, you can simply see that table is added. So it's my choice how long should be column or rows. I want 3 column and 4 rows. When I click on create table, the table is added. Now I can add things according to my own choice. So I will write it anything. I want to add caption. Simple, I add a caption and refresh the page to see that either the caption is available or not. You can see caption is visible. So if I add different content, this content will be visible in our website. I am just writing the alphabet so that I can see either this table is visible to our page or not. I just added random alphabet to my table and I will refresh the page to see either changes are saved or not. You can see table is visible and caption is also visible. Now we will add different things. Simple, I will add on ad block and browser. When I clicked on browser, you can see different things like file, media text, cover, images, and when you hover the tab, you can simply view which why this is used for. You can see when I hover the gallery, it says display multiple images in a rich gallery. When I hover on audio, it says embed a simple audio player. Embed a simple audio player. When I embed a media and text, it says set media and words side by side for a richer layout. It looks somehow beautiful. That's why it's asking for this. So if I hover on file, it says add a link to a downloadable file. Hover on cover, it says add an image or video with a text overlay. Great for headers. Usually this is used for header when we use a picture behind and write some text on the picture. So it's called cover. We can also add video here and we can also add separators. We can also add separator, page breaker, buttons, different things etc. So we can also add calendar. Let me show you how we will add calendar. When I click on calendar, simple, the calendar is added. You can see calendar is added. Here similarly you can add different things according to your choice. So in this video I explained about the text. So in our next video I will explain about our media and how we can use different these things like image, gallery, audio and other things. Till then, bye, take care.